So hi guys, this is Wikiverse. Welcome to Wikiverse Forex channel. So today we would be talking about the important currency pair. The Forex market hosts a vast array of currency pair, but there are select few. The trading volume are considered the most important because if you don't have volume, you don't have opportunities to trade. So these are known as the major currency pairs which have the highest volume. So there are a list of major currency pairs which I would be talking right now. Major currency pairs include like Euro USD, which is Euro and US dollar, Great British Pound GBP and US dollar, USD JPY, US dollar and Japanese yen, USD CHF, US dollar and Swiss franc. See, each currency pairs is connected to a different currency pair of a different country. So one currency's value is always compared to a different country's currency. So in stock market we will trade on a single stock. Like if you want to trade on Google, you will be trading on Google. If you want to trade on Apple, you would be trading the stock of an Apple. So when we comes to Forex market, there is no single currency that we can trade. We always trade in a currency pair, so there will be always one currency accompanied to a different currency. So this is the basic term. This is the only thing. Don't give thought too much. We will learn gradually about this one. Okay. So Euro USD is the king of Forex. Euro and US dollar is a currency pair which is the most traded currency pair in the world in Forex market. So if you are a beginner and you want to start into Forex market, I would suggest only one currency pair, which is Euro US dollar. If you start to learn and experience Forex market in just this currency pair, then you are good to go. Let's zoom in on Euro USD pair, often referred to as the king of Forex. This pair represents the euro against the US dollar and is the most traded currency pair in the world. So the Euro USD pair is highly liquid. It's more attractive for traders seeking stability and reliability. It's influenced by a myriad of factors, like including economic indicators, geopolitical events, and central bank policies. Everything is connected to euro US dollar. So if there is any influence or factors that is connected to an economic indicator like geopolitical events and central bank policies, it is most likely that it will also affect on euro US dollar. Okay, so that's that. And there is also one currency pair which is almost similar to the same chart pattern, same trading styles, which is Great British Pound GBP and US dollar. So like we have this GBP USD, affectionately known as the cable. So this pair represents the British Pound sterling against the US dollar. So GBP is renowned for its volatility, like driven by factors such as Brexit developments, UK economic data, like releases and all, and also US monetary policies decisions also affect on GBP USD as well. And we have USD JPY. If you are a fan of Naruto, then you would be loving this, because this is also called, like, USD JPY is also called as the ninja. So basically it's Japan, so like the word ninja is obvious that it came from Japan. So USD JPY is influenced by factors like US economic indicators, Bank of Japan policies, and geopolitical tensions that is connected to Asia Pacific region. It is the, like, it is known as like very responsiveness for risk settlements and carry trade strategies like that. See, USD JPY is, according to my experience, is very directional. So if it is going in a specific direction, it is most likely to continue its direction unless and until there is a big major factors or there is a liquidity grab or something like that. So don't get into that technical stuff. It's very simple. USD JPY is like, if you're doing a swing trader, it's more likely that you end up in USD JPY. So that's that. Then we have USD CHF, like it's also called the Swissy because CHF means the Swiss francs. So like the pair represents US dollar against the Swiss francs. So USD CHF is often seen as the safe haven currency pair. And why? Meaning investors flock to it during times of markets uncertainty. If there is a situation that the market is very much consolidation, there is no certainty in the market, traders definitely go for USD CHF. That's like safe haven for traders. Like it's influenced by factors such as Swiss monetary policies, US economic data, and global geopolitical events. So, and they're here, and there you have it, traders. Like, understanding the major currency pairs is essential for navigating through forex market effectively. So if you don't have anything, make sure that you keep notes and track on these currency pairs: Euro USD, JPP USD, USD JPY, and USD CHF. So these four currency pairs are good to go even if you are an intermediate or advanced trader in forex market or any other market. If you wish to come to forex market, these four currency pairs can make you a really decent amount of money in forex market, and is also good for practice, back testing, forward testing, strategy testing. These currency pairs are really good. So make sure that you maximum study on these currency pairs and trade on these currency pairs and stick to it. Don't go for exotic currency pairs or currency pairs which don't have any volume at all, because there is no point in being a professional trader if you're trading on exotics. So keep your all your studies, if you're starting into forex market, into these major currency pairs. So if you found out this video helpful, please make sure that you like and subscribe, and also support me by like sharing this to your friends who would like to learn forex market. And also, if you have any suggestions or anything at all, please sure comment down below. I will get into it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Thank you so much.